Being safe on the water is clearly an important part of everything that we do on the water. Ensuring we have the right equipment to keep us safe is obviously really important as well. It is, however, equally as important to make sure that the equipment that we have on board our boats to be used in a period when things might be going wrong or you might be having an emergency. It's very important that that equipment is A, understood by those who need to use it, and B, also in date should it be required to be serviced. So now is a golden opportunity to start thinking about the equipment you have on your vessels, when it needs servicing, when was it serviced last, is it certified accordingly, and if you use your boat in an environment whereby you have to comply to some regulation or you have to comply to some manufacturer's regulation, using a certified, approved service station, whether it be for a life raft, a life jacket, an EPIRB, any device that needs servicing is absolutely critical. At Ocean Safety, we have 4 MCA approved service stations that can do both commercial and leisure products. So most life rafts we never get to see, which is great because it means they haven't been used. But when you do need to use it, and if you did need to use it, it doesn't really need to be the first time you need to see it. And in a perfect world, you should know about the life raft you have on your boat anyway. So when you take it in to be serviced, ask the service station if you can actually witness the life raft when it's inflated on the shop floor. It's really interesting to see because otherwise all you're taking in is normally a white box or a valise, and you get the same white box or the same valise back. And you haven't seen what's been done to the product. You haven't even seen the product that's inside it. So take the opportunity, if you can, to actually have a look at it on the shop floor. Have a look at what's inside the pack of your life raft. Understand the limitations of what's inside the pack of your life raft. And also, if needs be, ask the service station if you can add things to it. Most service stations will add product into your life raft as long as it fits inside the box. What they won't do is remove equipment from the life raft, especially if your life raft is built to an ISO standard or a SOLAS standard. If you take your life raft to a service station who don't allow you to have a look at your life raft, then we would strongly recommend that you actually ask for your life raft back and take it somewhere where they will show you. At Ocean Safety, we probably have 30 or 40 customers a year who come and witness their life rafts being serviced. And we also run a number of open days and weekends throughout the year where we get groups of people together to come and look at their equipment being serviced. The same goes for life jackets. Please remember, with life jackets, when they're serviced by a professional service station, there are things that we need to do to the life jackets that you can't do at home. You don't have the equipment to do it. So yes, it's really important that you use monthly inspections of your jackets and things like that, but please make sure you have your life jackets serviced. If they go off and you use a life jacket in anger, please take it to a service station afterwards and get it serviced. When you choose the equipment that you're going to have on board your boat, especially if you're going to be doing blue water sailing, make sure you've understood where you can get that equipment serviced around the world. At Ocean Safety, we have over 150 certified and approved service stations spread all over the globe, in most continents. So if you need to get your equipment serviced, please make sure you log on to the website if you're unsure where the closest one is to you. Log on to the website, have a look at the map and determine who the people are closest to you, how you get in touch with them. Alternatively, you can contact the office here in Southampton, Plymouth, Glasgow or Aberdeen, and they will be able to put you in touch with the nearest service station to where you are.